now general availability. A lot of people are not even aware of this, so I wanted to bring it up here. The ability for end users to go to mysignins.microsoft.com and see exactly where their account has been logged into from, what device was used, what IP address, what location on the planet. The user can then report that wasn't me or this was me. So Microsoft will report, this looks like it's risky behavior. Was this really you? And if you say no, and it was a successful login, the user immediately gets walked through password reset. Okay, so super helpful. Administrators should all go out and hit this link right now, mysignins.microsoft.com, and start becoming familiar with what this, what information this shares with you.